What up, lads? Let's make Parmesan sprinkles. For this sprinkle, we're gonna use raw cashew nuts, garlic powder, salt, and nutritional yeast. Simple as that, okay? So we're gonna put everything on a blender in here. Nutritional yeast, salt, garlic powder, and with everything inside, we're gonna start blending this, but just pulsing, because we don't want this to become a paste. It needs to be like a sprinkle. You have to be crunchy, alright? Do you guys like my technique or no? Well, you do what you gotta do. Well, the important is the final result. So let's check it out. It was a little bit stuck on the sides, but that's completely normal. So now we just take out all this dry mixture. So guys, what happens here? If you still have some, let's find one. Like you see when it starts to get like a rock, you just break it down on your fingers, and that's it. So this mixture is lovely for you to use in stopping for pastas, for chilaquiles, for breadsticks, anything you want to like add a little bit of texture and a cheesy taste, right? So that's what you need. I just keep this on an airtight container. Beautiful. Don't put it in the fridge, just use whenever you need it. When you guys taste this, you won't believe it. Brilliant. Brilliant. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, just write down on the comments below. click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. If you guys want to have access to all the recipes I'm showing here, just go to my website, get your vegan ebook, and you have everything on your hand like that. Description of the recipes, ingredients, pictures, everything on the palm of your hand. Easy, easy cooking.